Nohea with Centenac House Interiors. I'm super excited to share this project that is finally getting completed. We started it earlier this year. There was a lot of construction involved. We did flooring throughout the whole house and baseboards, and then we transformed this entire living room. So back here, there was a wall of early 2000s drywall built-ins, what was popular. The fireplace was actually in this corner, and it took up a huge amount of space in the living room. So we were able to actually reorient the entire living room. So we have two nicely positioned couches. We have a kind of separate seating area right here. And then we did these custom white oak arched cabinets and stained them to be very rich and earthy and timeless. We were really going for timeless and earthy here. These clients just moved from Colorado and they love that kind of vibe. And so I really wanted to bring that in here. We have a lot of stone, linen, just very earthy materials. And then we kind of mixed in some higher end materials like velvet with this ottoman and leather. So I hope you guys love it, and we'll give you a little tour around.